Hi everyone, today I will review the 2006 Yamaha Aerox R. I purchased this scooter last year February, so I own it now for about 20 months. Time for a review. When searching for a scooter, I did not really have a specific model in mind. I just wanted a model I could remember driving around in the early 2000s when I was 16. A few models came to mind: the Gilera Runner, the Peugeot Speedfight, a Yamaha Aerox, or an Aprilia of some kind. Turned out there was a nice looking Aerox on the way back from picking up an Aprilia Area 51 my brother was searching for, so we killed two birds with one stone that day. I liked the black on black kit it came with. Price was reasonable, and it turned out that this scooter was used by a local garage to pick up and bring back employees home. When we arrived to pick up the scooter, the guy met us in his garage and had an old disassembled E30 BMW inside, with a whole lot of 50 or 60cc cylinders. The guy obviously had some experience dealing with engines. Soon as I took a test drive, I noticed the pulling power from the Yamaha, and the price and the overall status was good. So far I have only changed a dead battery in order to make sure that the electronic starter will still work a couple of days after driving it. The plan is to change the tires and the rims, since I notice it's out of balance on the higher speeds. Also, the fuel gauge is not accurate enough, so we have to replace the fuel float. I hope this is a real word. We are planning to do some maintenance videos this winter. It's a real treat to drive. The seating position is somewhat sportive, so it's not the most comfortable on longer journeys. That being said, last summer I drove more than 200 kilometers in one day. Yeah, after that my back was complaining, but hey, I'm getting old, I suppose. Planning to do a regularly maintained service to check up the overall condition of the engine block, replace some brake oil, planning to change or replace gearbox oil, and do a checkup on the condition of the oil pump. Since this is a two-stroke engine, you regularly have to add new oil, and the oil pump will mix it in with the gasoline to make the right mixture. Even when this engine is warm, a blue smoke trail can be seen under acceleration. I bet it's normal for a two-stroke engine, but perhaps the engine is running rich. Storage space is not big. You cannot store your helmet in the body seat, but you can bring a lock and a backpack. This is comparable to other scooters. The scooter will use about 3.3 liters of fuel on every 100 kilometers, which is great with today's gas prices. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this scooter. It did have a long production run, and it was quite popular back in its days. So there's still many parts available, which is a big plus in my opinion. I'm planning on keeping this until the government outlaws it. But even then, we are the Dutch scooter gang. Catch me if you can. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for maintenance videos and more content coming the next couple of months. Cheers!